Hey guys, welcome back to another video. It's your girl Fanika and this is Fanika TV. So yes guys, today I'm back again with another video. Today I'm going to be doing a little nature walk and stuff. So stay tuned guys. Remember to subscribe if you are not already subscribed, and guys, I'm gonna look and see if we can get some breadfruit and something. I mean, I have none from my tree, so me I go look if me can get some breadfruit, and me decide to me go come carry you guys with me and stuff. Remember guys to subscribe if you are not already subscribed. Hit that post notification bell. So yeah guys, we're going on the nature walk. Me carry one jug to fill some water at the spring and support. So stay tuned guys. I'm gonna show you which part the spring there and when me I fill up the water as well. Yeah. Hmm? Hey guys, so we're still here on the nature. We're gonna see the big house. People are below us in a wilderness and trenches. We go down this a pretty we not have no pass to go down there. No pass guys. Then me remember when me a picnic we used to when rain a fall we go under them me go shelter if we a come from mango bush. Yeah. Hey guys. Wanna see road? Wanna see the government road? A track. Hey! That's the government road for you. So yeah guys, we're up on the nature walk. The sun is beautiful. Up in the sky. You know, so we have our croaks, a walk. Like right now the way me tired to come at me off it turn back to him. I don't do walks. Beautiful falls. Oh my god. One thing with the falls, guys, you can't climb it like Dunn's River. Oh, you can't climb it like where you can do Dunn's River, guys. I drop and broke up. Ooh. Go down in a little hole there. Hey, one thing still. Eh? Me now walk. I right here, so me a see. I know water, me say me, but me can't see if nothing in there. Me afraid. Hey guys, be there. I try to see if we can catch Django. I think that's what they need to catch it. Go some more, and then you search in there. The, ano sa? Ano sa? Alright, we go. That's the one I know. This.
That's so too little.
Too small. It's heavy. You sit now go under this and it did this just sleep down. To trash there. Yeah. Look at them. I'm walking in the water. When did I catch it? More than one of them in the but then little bit. Guys, look how you little. Look how you little, guys. Then little bit, me I throw him back. Ooh, me see one big one. Ooh, me see me can't catch him like when we are picnic. Wait there. Me can't see a thing. Water get dirty fast. Okay guys, so we are getting stronger today at the river. Up here, little one we are seeing a little bit closer. Eh? No one under the walk. Watch and jump. Ooh, big size one. Bring it. Bring it back. Yeah, you jump out of me. Watch ya. Watch ya. You guys, we have to move stone too, you know, guys. Have to move this stone too. Come here, one big one. Come on, crayfish. Me afraid. In gone up here, so you have to go and catch him. Can you go on like you don't know, so I'm afraid I sitting them.
Yeah, come.
Are we Paddington? It look like he go on and it.
Eh? Get younger as you. You hear how she going away like a Susan? I did not catch him.
It look like a no because he catch me hand, he flash me hand, me feel but through me can't see. Yes, so good type the water dirty. So this somewhere after this one go. Somewhere after this one. I want good size one. It look like a crayfish. It look like crayfish. When I read.
Oh, I got in a bush. Me not catch that again.
The water dey too dirty. I feel me him pa me hand. Cause me da go so. Cause me move this one and me feel him. And he go up there so. Up the way then go. Water get too dirty. Too fast. Come on, a long time nobody no come up there so. Guys, me see one big crayfish. But me no know. Me afraid. Me afraid of them, you know. Cause they take me flash me hand. In part me say, and when he swim, me realize how I know. I hand I stone here, good size one dad, good size. Where's the mosquito? Oh, baby, shit man, mosquito them. Yeah. You can't pass. Okay. So me have this, so come like him go up. I don't use the dirt behind himself because him black with little red pan. Hey guys, let's see how much more we can catch. Deep pool here. go in there. Yeah, that means I'm sure camera gun so. Nice water in all. You can sit down, go wait down and sit down. Oh my gosh, this is nice. Oh, we should have carry my rug and soap, guys. Yay! Should I carry my rug and soap, man? Nice water in there. Guys, if you want me to come back here and take a bath for another video, guys, write it in the comments. If you don't want me to come back down here, come back here so that it's water nice. Ooh. It's